Hi, I'm Louise Gookie and welcome to the Ideal Home Show YouTube channel. Now this is the go-to channel for home and garden, health and beauty, food and drink, and even decluttering your space and your life. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Now, today I am going to show you,
and it can be amazing for your skin. But my favorite and preferred choice of at-home beauty treatment is actually...
Yes, we're diving deep into the world of skin nutrition with someone who's a total powerhouse in the field, Tina Lond-Caulk. As well as being a best-selling author, she is also an expert nutritionist with over 2 decades of experience helping clients transform their health and skin from the inside out. And here's the big idea for today. What if your diet could do more for your skin than your skincare? Tina's breaking down the 5 most powerful foods and nutrients that support glowing, youthful skin. And she's got the science to back it all up. We're talking about omega-3s, the magic of extra virgin olive oil, beta-carotene-packed veggies, and why your tomatoes might just be your new summer skin savior. She'll also share the real deal on collagen, why it matters, how to support it with food like bone broth, and what you need to know about red light therapy. Oh, and yes, she's got thoughts on sunscreen too. Spoiler, SPF 50 is a must. So grab a notebook, settle in, and get ready to learn how your grocery list might just be the secret weapon your skincare routine is missing. Let's jump in.
Okay, so hi, my name's Tina Lond-Caulk, the nutrition guru. I'm a super passionate nutritionist with over 2 decades worth of experience in clinical practices. I have a clinical practice myself now, and I host retreats and corporate wellness workshops around the globe in amazing places. And I'm the author of this best-selling book, Eat Well and Feel Great. So here's a few of my top tips to get glowing skin. First up, omega-3 fats. We can get these from things like walnuts, nuts and seeds, things like chia seeds, but my favorite are from oily fish. So I think of things like smash fish. Now that really means sort of things like salmon, pilchards, anchovies, sardines. These are great sources of omega-3 fats. Next up are things like extra virgin olive oil. This wonderful dark green, you know when you've got a good quality one, it gives you a peppery kick at the back of the throat. That's really rich in these polyphenols that protect the body and cells from aging. Then we have things like beta-carotenes from green leafy vegetables, things like sweet potatoes, butternut squash and carrots. These can protect us because they're packed with antioxidants and they protect us from phytoaging. Another one that protects us from phytoaging is tomatoes. Contain something called lycopene. When we cook tomatoes, we actually increase the lycopene content, and that can actually again protect us from the inside out. Next up is collagen. 75% of the dry weight of our skin is actually made up of collagen. Now, as we age, on average, after 25, we lose about 1% of collagen. And when we go into menopause, we can lose 30%. So it's really important we replenish that through protein-rich foods, which are a great source of collagen. And one of my favorites is bone broth, which contains both collagen and glycine. That gives our skin plumpness, firmness, prevents sagging, and really gives us that radiant glow. So NASA originally started research on LED red light therapy, and it's been shown to actually improve and speed up wound healing, and it can be amazing for your skin. So you can get these red light masks that you can use at home, but my favorite and preferred choice of at-home beauty treatment is actually the Nera laser. It's the only FDA approved non-fractional laser that you use at home just 3 minutes a day, and it works, and you can use it right up and around the eye area, and it's been shown to reduce wrinkles, crow's feet, and improve that firmness and plumpness of the skin and prevent skin sagging. So when we're looking at skin aging, we know that 90% of skin aging comes from sun damage. So one of the easiest hacks to improve your skin health is to use SPF 50 every day, even on grey days and through the winter, because we're constantly exposed to light, whether it's from our screens or our TVs, all this light exposure. So by wearing SPF each and every day, we can really help restore our skin to great health and get the glow naturally.
Nourishing and inspiring. Let's quickly recap the 5 skin-loving foods and nutrients she highlighted. Extra virgin olive oil packed with polyphenols to fight aging. Beta-carotene found in leafy greens and orange veggies for natural sun protection. Cooked tomatoes, your go-to source of lycopene for defense against sun damage. And of course, collagen from bone broth, essential for skin structure and elasticity. Now, she also touched on the benefits of red light therapy and gave us a crucial reminder: no matter how clean you eat or how much collagen you sip, SPF 50 plus is non-negotiable. If you found this episode helpful, do me a favour, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with a friend who is serious about skincare and wellness. You can find more from Tina, including her book, Eat Well and Feel Great, linked in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. Until next time, stay glowing, and remember, beauty starts from within. We'll see you soon.
Hello everyone.
Hi, I'm Mark Meadows.
I'm Michelle Marby Davies.
I'm Annie Sloan and I invented chalk paste.
So, cocktails.
The hive will produce 30 or 40 pounds of honey in a year.
I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can improve your home life using the very latest smart tech.
If you're looking to move or improve,
Have I got a chocolate and tonka bean? I might just have
We've got all sorts planned. This hob is actually amazing.
a little chocolate and tonka bean.
The lovely aroma, the curry leaves.
Might do that neat right at the end as a little treat for me really.
So what I love to do is go for citrus-based scents.
And it can be amazing for your skin.
So it really becomes a different look from day to evening.
To have a plan without thinking about colour, texture or specific product choices.
we've got talks, drop-in sessions, explanations, workshops, everything.
Oh, it's a good job it's 7 p.m, isn't it? I'd get into trouble. So,